guys, and welcome back to the second episode in my Clean With Me series. Today we're focusing on the bathrooms, so I'm just going to be doing a deep clean of all of my bathrooms. Give this video a big thumbs up if it gives you some cleaning motivation, and let's get right into the video. I just wanted to jump on real quick and talk about the Minky bathroom sponge. This was my first time using it, and I really do like the Minky sponges anyway because they hold water really well. However, this one for me it doesn't have like the scrubby bit, the more harsher abrasive side than the original one does. You guys know what I mean. It's just the other side, the with the white and blue, is a bit softer, and we do get a lot of really hard water, so I find that I do need something a bit more abrasive. So this is good overall, but I would need to still use a scrubber along with this when I'm cleaning the bathroom sinks. bar cart I actually DIY'd. It's from IKEA. I did a whole dedicated video to it a couple of years ago, so I will link it down below, but I've now relocated it to our main bathroom and I just think it fits perfectly in there, and I just store all of my body products, extra towels and candles. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I will look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's Clean With Me video. Have a great day or night or whatever you're doing, guys, and I will see you then. Take care. Bye.